Hi, welcome to Chad Her YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to remove stuck shower faucet handles. Before we start, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel for more video updates. When you are replacing your old shower faucet handles and find out they are too tight to remove it, this is due to corrosion buildup with water mineral over the years. One easy solution I found out to remove this stuck faucet handle is to torch it with a mini butane solder torch like this one. It's very lightweight and easy to operate. As you can see, it's difficult to remove these stems handle covers as well. By using the mini butane torch, it burns up the mineral deposits inside the handles for easy removal. Move the torch around as you heat up the handle cover to avoid overheating one spot. Once you think you heat up enough, go ahead and try remove the faucet cover. If you still cannot remove it, then reheat it some more. Repeat this process until you're able to remove it. Now try remove again with two hands. This one looks too easy. It's because I already remove it off camera. I simply put it back for demonstration purposes. Just simply repeat this process for all your difficult to remove faucet handle covers. I hope this will help you out. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Chad Her YouTube channel for more videos like this. Until then, stay safe and thank you for watching.